In this video, we are going to learn how to solve a radical equation. Our given equation is four x is equal to 13x plus 14 under square root minus 3. When we solve a radical equation, our main aim is to remove the radical sign so that we could convert it into an expression and then solve it. Here what we have to do, we have to take all the terms which are without radical sign on one side of the equation. Like we will do here, we will add 3 on both sides. By adding 3 on both sides, we can see that now our radical sign is only on one side. And the equation has become like 4x plus 3 is equal to 13x plus 14 under square root. Now in order to get rid of this radical sign, we will take square of both sides. Square of 4x plus 3 is equal to square of 13x plus 14 under square root. On the left side, we will open the bracket and it will become like 16x square plus 24x plus 9, and on the right hand side, square root and square will cancel with each other and we will get 13x plus 14. Now we will shift all the terms on one side of the equation. So when 13x comes on the left side, it becomes minus 13x and plus 14 will become minus 14. So we will solve this. 16x square, 24x minus 13x is 11x. And plus 9 minus 14 will be minus 5. Now we have got a quadratic equation and we can easily solve it with the help of a quadratic formula. The general form of the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when we compare these two equations, we see that a is equal to 16, b is equal to 11 and c is equal to minus 5. We will write it here. A is equal to 16, b is equal to 11 and c is equal to minus 5. Quadratic formula looks like x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now we will substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. So x is equal to minus minus 11 plus minus square of 11 minus 4 into 16 into minus 5 over 2 into 16 minus 11 plus minus square of 11 is 121, and when we multiply 4 with 16 it is 64 and 64 into 5 is 320. When we multiply minus with minus, it will become plus. So the final answer will be plus 320 over 2 into 16 is 32 minus 11 plus minus 441 over 32. So minus 11 plus minus square root of 441 is 21. Over 32. So we have x is equal to either minus 11 minus 21 over 32 or x is equal to minus 11 plus 21 over 32. Minus 11 minus 21 is minus 32 over 32, or x is equal to 10 over 32. This minus 32 cancels with minus 32 and we are left with x minus 1. This cancels with 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 32. So our final answers of x are minus 1 or x is equal to 5 over 16. Since this is a radical equation, so we have to check these roots if they are the actual roots or they are extraneous roots. For that we will be checking them one by one. Let us check it for minus 1 value first. So when x is equal to minus 1, left hand side is equal to 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4, and right hand side is equal to value of x is minus 1 plus 14 minus 3 is equal to minus 13 plus 14 square root minus 3 is equal to square root of 1 minus 3. Square root of 1 is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2, which is not equal to left hand side. So this one is the extraneous root. Now let us check for 5 over 16. When x is equal to 5 over 16, left hand side is equal to 4x is equal to 4 into 5 over 16. This 4 cancels with this, we are left with 4. So answer is 5 over 4. Now let's check the right hand side. Is equal to 13x plus 14 square root minus 3. We'll substitute the value of x. So 13 into 5 over 16 plus 14 under square root minus 3. Let us solve it. 13 into 5 is 65 over 16 plus 14 minus 3. Here we will take the LCM, so 16 will be in the denominator. 65 plus 224 minus 3, it is 289 over 16 square root minus 3. It is square root of 289 is 17 and square root of 16 is 4. Seventeen minus 12 is equal to 5 over 4, which is equal to left hand side. Therefore solution set of this equation is only 5/16. -1 is not the root of this equation because it is an extraneous root. So that's all for now. Until the next time, please take care and bye.